Today is our high school media workshop, and we have 4 outstanding high schools from the region who have brought more than 100 students here to campus. We bring them in for a full morning of hands-on activities. We have students who are in our television studio with Chris Haynes doing a mock TV show and doing some projects in there. We have students who've gone over to the Murray State News who will be working with the students there to do some activities like interviewing, AP style, some of those activities. We have representatives from Herff Jones Yearbook Company who are doing some hands-on activities with yearbooks. And then we also have some other sessions about leadership, advertising, media careers. And we have another session with public relations students who are going to talk about social media and all the cool things you can do with social media. We do have a hands-on photography workshop where we're going to have students doing a campus tour. They're going to go over and see our photography studio, and then they're going to have a chance to learn from one of our award-winning photography instructors, Ed Rohde. His client list includes many of the Nashville stars. These students are so lucky to be able to learn from such a talented photographer. Journalism is important for democracy at this time, and so this is a great way to get our students onto our campus and to give them hands-on activities that show them how important journalism is today. So we're so excited to have them here on our campus. They bring so much energy to us.